Hi, this is Shakti. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can backup your WordPress website to Dropbox cloud storage. Here I'm going to use this website for backup demonstration. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and also open a new tab and log into your Dropbox account. I'm going to connect a Dropbox free plan with my WordPress to configure the backup. If you have a paid plan, this method also works for you. Now I have logged into both WordPress admin dashboard and Dropbox dashboard side by side. Now go to WordPress admin dashboard, go to the plugins tab, click on add new plugin, search for Updraft. I'm going to use this Updraft plugin for the backup connection between the WordPress and Dropbox. Click on the install now button and activate the plugin. After the activation, you can find this plugin on the top bar and also under the settings. Now go to the Updraft settings. Under the remote storage option, select the Dropbox, scroll down and click on Save Changes. It will open up a dialog pop-up to authenticate with your Dropbox account. Click on the follow this link to authorize access to your Dropbox account. Now it will automatically authorize you. You just have to click on the complete setup option. If you haven't logged in with your Dropbox account, this will ask you to sign in or log into your Dropbox account. Click on the complete setup button. Now we have connected the WordPress with the Dropbox storage. We can see the success message at the top. To create a new backup, click on the backup now button. Enable the send this backup to remote storage option and also make sure the Dropbox option is selected. I'm going to include all the files and database to get the full website backup. After that, click on the backup now button. It will start the backup process. Now Updraft plugin creates separate zip files for plugins, themes, uploads and database, and then it will automatically upload it to your Dropbox storage. I'm going to fast forward this entire progress. Backup has been completed and we can also see the Dropbox icon under the backup date. Now go to the Dropbox dashboard. We can able to see a new folder here. Open the apps folder. Under that, open the UpdraftPlus.com folder. Now we can able to view all our backup files here. You can also automatically make backup with schedules. In order to do that, go to Updraft settings and use this available schedule option and click on Save Changes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more useful information video like this. Thanks for watching.